Today we have the 2021 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, as well as an overview of the vehicle. This allows us to open the bonnet, charging port, and boot, all from within inside the car. If we click on the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging and autopilot, schedule, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle's spec. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control, which includes heated seats and a heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof.